Good night, tutor. What's up your mind say? A small step for man, a better leg for humanity. What's the price that the American astronaut Neil Armstrong hit first set foot on Moon? Perhaps the widow a plea of thou brings hope and new opportunities. I believe it. I believe it that's it. Great advance had possibly impacted the intellectual, economic, and cultural development of societies. The collateral damage of the progress towards our environment is overwhelming. Space debris and the burning of fuels in the atmosphere help to deteriorate the layer of ozone, contributing to the greenhouse effect. My great desire is that government policies operate drastically in order to mitigate the impact created by technology development, the exploitation of mining for the implementation of copper and gold in the cell phone network, the manufacturing of iron for antennas, and the use of soil for the techniques. I believe and hope that these developments in the internet and telephony network help to offset the consumption of paper that contributes to deforestation. In this way, every dime will be done digitally. Some industrial sectors already operate in this way a long time ago, and even nowadays the consumption of paper is enormous. I think that in time the future, if these techniques are not changed, water will be very scarce and is fatal for the development of life in the not too distant future. It is necessary sustainable development. Thank you.